The trial of Stevie Wonder versus Elton John. In the court of pop culture. Case number 1972. Members of the jury. Some cases involve money. Some involve contracts. Some involve property. This case involves something far more valuable: history. For more than 50 years, a dispute has remained unresolved. Two legendary artists entered 1972, carrying records powerful enough to survive generations. Neither claim has disappeared. Neither claim has weakened. Neither side has surrendered. Today, this court asks a question that has echoed through radio speakers, record stores, jukeboxes, and living rooms for more than half a century. Who owned 1972? The plaintiff claims the year belongs to Stevie Wonder and Superstition. The defense argues the year belongs to Elton John and Rocketman. The court now calls the case. Opening statement for the plaintiff. Stevie Wonder approaches this court carrying evidence that is impossible to ignore. The moment Superstition begins, the room changes. The riff is not introduced. It arrives like a declaration. The groove is not requested. It takes control. The plaintiff argues that ownership is established through influence, through innovation, through the ability to permanently alter the sound of popular music. Opening statement for the defense. Elton John enters this courtroom carrying a very different argument. His claim is not built on rhythm. It is built on immortality. Rocketman transformed a lonely traveler into one of the most recognizable characters in music history. The defense argues that cultural ownership is not measured by grooves. It is measured by memory, by emotional connection. Exhibit A. Superstition. The plaintiff submits the following evidence. One of the most recognizable openings in music history. Revolutionary use of the clavinet. Lasting influence on funk, soul, R&B, rock, and pop. Exhibit B. Rocketman. The defense submits the following evidence. One of the defining songs of the singer-songwriter era. Powerful storytelling and emotional depth. Enduring cultural significance. Global recognition across generations. A character and narrative that became larger than the song itself. The defense argues that Rocketman did not simply belong to 1972. It escaped it. Cross-examination. Which song changed the sound of music more dramatically? Advantage. Stevie Wonder. Which song created the stronger emotional narrative? Advantage. Elton John. Which song influenced future musicians more heavily? Advantage. Stevie Wonder. Which song became a larger cultural symbol? Advantage. Elton John. Which song remains instantly recognizable after only a few notes? Advantage. Stevie Wonder. Closing argument. Members of the jury. This is not a dispute between success and failure. Both parties won. Both parties survived. Both parties became legends. The dispute before this court concerns ownership of one of the most important years in modern music. One artist brought a groove that refuses to die. One artist brought a dream that refuses to fade. One changed how music moved. One changed how music imagined. One conquered the body. One conquered the soul. The court recognizes the extraordinary strength of both claims. Final jury instructions. You are not being asked which artist you like more. You are not being asked which song appears on your playlist. You are not being asked who sold more records. You are being asked to decide a question that has remained unresolved for more than 50 years. When the historical record of 1972 is reviewed, whose claim carries greater weight? Who presented the stronger evidence? Who established the stronger legacy? Who owns the year? Stevie Wonder, Superstition, or Elton John, Rocketman? The evidence has been presented. The arguments have been heard. The record is complete. The court now turns this matter over to the jury. Render your verdict below.